Greetings everybody, it's me Krish from Gossipfunda, and today we will talk about how we can solve the problem of MSA keeps stopping. So let's dive into the video. So the very first thing that we have to do is we have to search for Chrome and we have to update it, check it if it's not updated and then update it. Then we have to search for Android system web view and then check if it's not updated, and if it's not then we have to update it. And after that we will search for Google and then we'll check if it's not updated, and if it's not updated we will update it. After doing so, your MSA will start working, but if it still does not start working, what we have to do is we have to go to settings, then we have to go to apps, and then we have to go to manage apps, and here we have to search all those three applications, first of Chrome, and then we have to uninstall updates. After that we will search for web view, and then we have to uninstall updates here too, and then your problem will definitely resolve. And this is how you can solve the problem of the MSA stops working. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's me Krish signing off from Gossipfunda, and I will see you in the next video.